A very good morning and a warm welcome to what is a delightful one owner, one private owner, 2023 on a 23 plate, just 2,605 miles, Mercedes Benz GLA 200 1.3 turbo, 160, I think it's 63 brake horsepower, AMG line, premium plus pack with a night pack, an absolutely extremely rare example of the GLA, finished in mountain grey metallic, absolutely splendid, purchased recently as last week from the only private owner. This will be the fourth car, or is the fourth car we've purchased from the family, but always high spec and always in exemplary condition. I'm very surprised to be videoing this car for you because we had a deposit taken on it over the weekend, and now we can't raise the buyer. So if the buyer's listening to the video, please get in touch. But you know, we're giving them till 12 noon today to get in touch and claim the vehicle for themselves. But we're offering it as it is. It's a genuine one owner car, mountain grey, finished in the AMG line Premium Plus with night packs. So the business has been established for 28 years, and we have an enviable reputation for good and straightforward and honest car dealing. All our reviews are available on Facebook, Auto Trader and Google, almost forgot. So please do take a read through some of our reviews. Now the car sits on Bridgestone tyres, all as you would imagine in great condition. There's a slight curbing to the edge of this front wheel here, which we have Jimmy Lucetti coming through to us on Monday to correct. So whoever buys the car, if Jacob doesn't go ahead with the sale for whatever reason, unbeknown to us because we can't reach him, even though he's left a deposit, the owner, the buyer, will have a unmarked car in terms of wheels, tyres, etc, etc. There's no smells inside the car, no animal or tobacco odours, and the vehicle has 2 keys, book pack and all the association of what it was delivered in July of last year to the owner. A beautiful car. The night edition, you have the black high gloss detailing to the exterior, and you have active cruise control. There's the camera just above the Mercedes star, monitors the distance you are behind the car in front of you. Lovely grille. The odd stone chip on the car, which is a little bit unfortunate, but they are minor. I'm just trying to think and show you one just there. You probably won't be able to see it, but we have got the Mercedes-Benz touch-up pencil and we've touched those in. In fact, my Mini, after 4 days old, had a stone come up and crack the windscreen. So we've left it cracked. Brand new car, and another one hit it a few months later. So it's just as well I didn't replace the screen until we will be selling the car next year. So these things happen, but the car is in great condition, or fantastic condition, and Peter from BCP Car Detailing has added his machine polishing at the weekend and a ceramic infused liquid, so that should afford about 9 to 12 months protection to the bodywork. And we do have a range of car care products should you wish to discuss those with us. Car finance and part exchange is also available. So too is UK delivery. We charge £1 per mile. So if you are looking at maybe buying the car unseen, which we don't ask you to do, but a lot of people do, then it is £1 a mile to your address, or you can come up and see the car here in Crewe in Cheshire. We'll make sure there's enough fuel in the car for you to go home. It's available to take the same day. Well, I say the same day, it's available pretty much the same day. We just need to get it through to the workshop, which is where it's going after the video, to have its PDI inspection, and then on Monday Jim is coming to do that one front wheel. The night edition wheels are very attractive. They have a polished edge and then your high gloss black in the centres, multi-spoke, electric tailgate, electric folding door mirrors, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which is operational only on the cable, which I found surprised, but There we go, we have got the screen up to show you. We found when we were cleaning the car, detailing it, that there's still quite a lot of protective coverings. So this covering here, that goes over the windscreen, that goes over the dashboard, over the display, which we'll put back on and let the new owner buyer decide whether he or she wishes to keep it on. There's also some protection still on the kick strips at the front doors here. We've left those on as well. So you may want to take them off, you may want to leave them on, whatever. So boot wise, you have a decent sized boot. It's electronically operated. I'll just show you. So there's the electronic operation. You have two glass panels in the roof, so the car has an opening sunroof at the front and a fixed panel in the rear. Lets plenty of light in. And the owners had this lovely Mercedes Benz over carpet fitted into the boot, which we're including with the sale. Just 2,605 miles, which is absolutely guaranteed. Fantastic dashboard now on the A classes, because obviously this is based around an A class. The GLA is the GL is the subversion, but the A class, the A denotes the platform, the chassis, if you like. So it is an A class, and the interiors are absolutely spectacular. Really are beautiful. I think it's possibly one of my most favourite interiors available in any car at the moment. So yeah, it's we'll go run through some of the controls anyway. There is a manual, and then I'm guessing that you can look at it on here as well. So straight away you've got a lovely sweeping console here. You have a glove box with a cable connection in there. Another glove, well, the main glove box is there, of course. Call that the armrest glove box, shall we? The one we've just looked at. Carbon fibre effect trim in the door, cards and the dash. Lovely swept across dashboard, absolutely brilliant. A reversing camera, we'll just show you that. And you can widen the view of that as well. I have tried that myself, so you can have a wide view reversing camera as well. And I mentioned the multifunction steering wheel, maybe I haven't, but there's quite soft touch as well. Digital speedometer showing the miles, 2606. There's electric mirrors. Sunroof obviously just above us. Dual panel. There we go. There is a blind as well, but we have the blind open at the moment. Gear selector on all Mercedes, those of you that have had them, is here, and you can also use a paddle shift into manual mode, which is useful if you're going down some steep slopes. You can control the car better through being in manual mode. Automatic LED headlights, cruise, and it's active cruise control, and it's also, I think you'll probably have lane assist, lane departure should I say. I haven't tried it on the road. I'm just about to take it to the workshop, so ask me if you want to know that when you inquire about the vehicle. It's all digital climate control, and you can have it, so I've got it 19 degrees. If you look at I've got it set on sync, so it's synchronized to move both sides of the car to the same, but you can have it unsynced, so the passenger wants it warmer or cooler, they can, or he, she, or can. So yeah, really nice keypad here to move things around. I don't know if you can just see it moving on there. Let me just go to home screen, see if I can get there. So there's we're off Apple CarPlay onto the Mercedes system now, so you just sweep it across, as you can see, and just press down on the pad when you want to go somewhere, or you can touch the screen as well. So that's the vehicle. There's only two available on Auto Trader, one white and this one. The white one is slightly older and it's more expensive, so the price you see on the car is a very fair price and reflects the car's spec, age and mileage. We will accept a part exchange, but we do need to be told about that beforehand, of course. So that's our 23 plate GLA AMG line Premium Plus Night Edition petrol 200 2,600 miles, available from Cheshire Cars in Crewe in Cheshire. We also purchase cars like this one, so if you do have a car to sell, or you're part exchanging or being disappointed, then contact us at www.webuyyourcar365.co.uk. I'm David Billsborough, business owner here at Cheshire Cars. We'll have a fabulous day, and we hope to hear off you very, very soon on this beautiful 23 plate Mercedes. Thank you.